In this video, we're going to be learning about how to add fonts to your iPad. Before we begin, please make sure that you've downloaded the iFont app. The iFont app will check to see what fonts you already have installed on your device. On the bottom right hand side is a tab called Get Fonts. I love using defont.com. Defont.com will load up automatically inside the app. Let's have a go at downloading this font, Pedro Marker. On the right hand side, click the download button. Click Import to iFont. Click on the Files tab to find the file that we have just downloaded. Here is Pedro Marker Regular. Click Install. Another prompt will appear asking you to allow this configuration profile to be installed. Click Allow. We're now going to go into our Settings app. From General in the Settings app, you will need to click on Profiles and Device Management. You can see pre-installed configuration profiles at the bottom and this new one downloaded at the top. Follow the install prompts to ensure that this font is loaded onto your iPad. You will now see that this configuration font is listed in your already approved profiles. The font that we have just downloaded can now be found throughout my iPad.